So hello guys, now as you can see I am sitting here Jointo and me. Today I am free, that's why I have come to spend for some times in Sagardighi Park. I have sat here as you can see, and now I enjoy the nature. As you can see, this is a lake, and this lake looks greenery. So, and today I want to go to market, and in the evening I will go to the market. I was going at noon, but Mr. Jointo told me that let's go in the evening. So in the evening we will go to the market again to buy vegetables. Okay, because my elder brother wants marketing, so that's why we will go. And this is picnic month. People go to picnic. So I think you can hear the music because in this area picnic is going on. That's why I hope you can hear music. And guys, coming here I feel enjoy because this is beautiful nature all around. You can see lakes. I will try to show. And in front of me there is a lake, there is a big lake. It looks nice and it is surrounded by greenery as you can see, and the scenario is awesome, and we feel good here sitting. And Mr. Jointo, as you can see, now he just scrolling his mobile phone and hearing reels, means watching reels. So guys, I am testing this mic. Yesterday this mic was worse. I was unable to shoot videos. I am checking this mic right now and I am recording my voice with this mic now. And in this area, means in this place, I made a video, I made a blog video, and the video is on my Facebook and YouTube channel. You may watch. Okay. The title of the blog is Sagardighi Travel Blog. You can check. Okay, you can check going to my YouTube channel and Facebook account. And so guys, one thing, let me know in the comments if you like my videos. So please make a comment and please like, comment and subscribe to the channel and follow also my page. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. See you next vlogs.